Let me tell you, I've killed so many plants. So many plants. I didn't just start digging and magically all this abundance happened. I killed a lot of plants. Here you go, baby. To create, you must destroy. My name is Brian Brigantti. I'm a full-time gardener, content creator, and author living in Central Tennessee.
Look alive, people. Look alive!
We are currently preparing for an enormous open house where we're unveiling our brand new greenhouses. But there is so much to get ready. It's a lifesaver, honestly, having my Surface Pro to help me organize everything that's going on in here. If y'all only knew how my mind works.
Here you, Olive.
So right now, we are nestled in our beautiful nursery here at Red Leaf. And these beautiful structures house all of our gorgeous, exotic, carnivorous plants. Me and my partner built these enormous greenhouses by ourselves. It took us about 2 years. And I've never built a greenhouse before, let alone worked with the machinery, the tools. There's nothing like drilling metal together and lifting giant pieces of metal and cold steel in the middle of winter. If only the Surface could pick up a hammer. With our grand debut, it's gonna be the first time that we show it off to our community, and a lot of people are gonna be coming from very far away, so we wanna make sure that everything is perfect.
Yeah, I'm gonna come in here real quick. I'm just gonna make sure everything's kind of set up in here.
First and foremost, we have to make sure our gardens look absolutely pristine for the grand unveiling. And my Surface Pro makes it so effortless to go out and design my garden. For example, I'm planting a fall garden right now, and I need something that's able to grow within like a 2-month time frame. So I opened up Copilot, and I was able to ask, like, hey, what kind of veggies can grow within 2 months and mature fully? So it gave me a list right there and then of everything that can grow, and right there I was able to add it to my plan and really map out what I was gonna grow for the fall season.
Wow, this really came together. Thank God.
No. Oh, this is good, Brian.
That's good?
Yeah.
We're trying to make like 50 of these.
Oh, we need to make those signs.
I made signage for our open house to showcase all of the food that we were making, and I was able to make those, and it gave me time to do the things that I needed to do, like actually cook the food.
Ooh, nice and crispy. They look so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think we're ready. Hooray. Hello. Welcome, everyone, to our grand debut.
So we finally had our event, and it turned out better than we could have ever imagined. Honestly, without my Surface, I wouldn't have been able to organize all of this. And I get so much more time back to do the things that I really enjoy doing, like spending time with my community. It's just so fulfilling. It was so fulfilling.
Cameron, abundance. Hey!
You know, it's so special to create this little slice of heaven, but the real joy is being able to have time to share it with our community and the people that we love.
Thank you, Mom.
You're
She's been cooking all day.
That's what life's all about.